T4040 laser engraving machine assembly. Accessory display. Step 1. Install the bottom frame. First, place the front side panel, left side panel, right side panel, and rear side panel. Then use the 2.5mm wrench to fix the M4H screws to the aluminum plate. Step 2. Install the optical axis. First, pass the coupling through the optical shaft. Then place the optical shaft around the timing belt and align it with the bearing holes. At the other end, move the coupling near the Y-axis stepper motor. Finally, tighten the top wire on the coupling with a 2.5mm wrench. Step 3. Installation of the gantry. Before tightening the M4H screws, you need to slide both sides of the stopper flush on both sides, and finally fix the gantry with screws. Use the 2.5mm wrench to fix the gantry with M4H screws. Step 4. Install the feet. First, place the machine upside down, then use M4H screws to pass through the feet, followed by 2.5mm screws. Secure the limit switch plate to the left side plate with M3/6 screws. Step 5. Install limit switch plate. Allen wrench to secure the feet to the aluminum plate. Finally, slip the foot pads onto the feet of the machine. Step 6. Install limit switches. First, use a 2mm Allen wrench to screw the M3/16 through the hole of the limit switch in the Y-axis. First, put the M3/6 screws through the limit switches and space a post of the X-axis. Fix the limit switch of X-axis to the gantry by putting M3/6 screws. Step 7. Install the laser head. First, pass the laser module through the slot in the direction of the red arrow. Then turn the side knob clockwise to hold the laser module in place. You need to prepare 2.5mm wrench and 3 M3/14 screws. You can use a 2.5mm Allen wrench to hold the M4/12 screws in place. Step 8. Wiring. First, connect the Y-axis stepper motor. Then connect the X-axis stepper motor. Then connect the limit switch for the Y-axis. Next, connect the limit switches for the X-axis. And finally, the laser wire. Tip: installing wire fasteners. First of all, you need to have 9 wire fasteners and a 2.5mm wrench and 9 M4/6 screws. Then first pass the wire control through the wire inside. Then use M4/6 screws to fasten the wire fasteners to the side panel. Finally, use a 2.5mm wrench to hold the screws in place. At this point, the assembly is considered complete. And then slide the gantry back and forth. Just observe if the machine slides smoothly.